Well, hello. I hope that you had a good morning or night. Today, I'm going to talk about having an automated system. So, you're probably like, what the heck does that mean? Well, that is how I have sales daytime, nighttime, like when I'm cleaning, when I'm cooking, when I'm homeschooling, when we're at the park, when we're at the zoo, when we're going places, traveling, whatever we're doing, we can actually have a way to bring in sales. So let me explain to you. I just want to share this with you because it's something that I learned in the past since I've been doing this. Um, I never knew, and this is really valuable. I never knew, number one, that you could work smarter and not harder, but also, if you are giving all your time, if you really want to make money online in this space and you want to build yourself some wealth, put some money away for savings. If you want to save money, pay down debt, you need substantial, right? But also, you need a way to be able to bring in income that is not tied to time. And let me say that again. You need a way to bring in income that is not tied to time. Like when I was doing the dash, we were working 40 plus hours. If I wasn't working, I wasn't making money. So you need to disconnect. If you can break that apart, that's where you start to build. That's where you start to make money. That's where change can actually happen because it's not tied to how much time that you have. So I'm going to jump right into this because I told you guys I want to keep the videos short and I know that you're all busy. So here is how automations work. Okay. So I make my videos and I explained this to you the other day. I make my videos, right? Short little videos. Now, you can choose any social media platform. I did say that, but I'll say it again. And when somebody is interested, they're going to go to my website. Wherever my website is, like my profile on TikTok, they can find it there. Then they have to do this. This action right here is the most important. What is it? It's email. So they got to drop their email because it actually kickstarts my 24-hour automated system. This right here, this this is how you get your life back. Can you imagine having 22 hours in a day to do whatever it is that you want to do? Do you have that right now? Because of this system, I got my time back. I got my life back. So as soon as they do that, they're going to see a short little video of me, 5-10 seconds. And then they're going to want to go back and check their email because I'm going to give the blueprint, which you guys already have. But I'm going to give the blueprint, right? Then they get to go on a short little trip with me inside of my system, which you guys are already a part of. So now here's the average. 1 out of 20 people that drop their email, they get started. 1 out of 20. That's the average. That's crazy. Now, you can screenshot this if you want to. Screenshot that because this right here is how I got my very first customer. And I have that first customer. So let me show you. I saved a screenshot of this very first sale. Sleepy money, I called it. I was like, I woke up to my very first sale this Sunday morning. So excited and thankful that we get to be a part of this amazing program. And I was like, if you haven't got your first sale, I just wanted to inspire people and encourage people because once you hit that first sale, it's like different. You want to make sure you screenshot it, you save it, and you share it inside of the community. This is how the automations work. So we have a system and regular people can have a system. We just didn't, like, I didn't know that you could have a system out there working for you 24 hours around the clock and it's made for you. It's not something we're going and creating. Like, it is crazy to me. I had a website done for me, an automated system done for me, and we're going to get to the next part tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about, what am I going to talk about tomorrow? Oh, I'm going to share something cool with you. So just join me tomorrow. God bless.